Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSLA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another very eventful day here on Tesla, and once again, some very, very nicely established levels that a whole lot of people will be watching, and I emphasize a whole lot of people because when lots of people are watching the same level and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can certainly produce some very dynamic movements, and that's exactly what we have with a couple of these levels. The first area that every long, short, and everybody in between is going to be watching is that area of support right there at the 882 mark. You can see 882 did a fantastic job of holding strong right there as support. And once again, the price bounced off it during the last 30 minutes. So while nothing is guaranteed, my core point here is that it's a more than reasonable thought to have that if the price consolidates and then goes down, the break of that level right there could very well create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. Again, nothing's guaranteed, but that is a more than rational thought to have. Same exact logic is true except for the flip side of things, and that is all revolving up here around this 892 mark, meaning while nothing, like I said, is guaranteed, if the price were to recover back upwards, come up there and get the break up through that level, it is more than rational to think that that break could create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. And in my opinion, probably send it at least up to 900, if not even further than that. But first off, the price has got to be able to recover back up to that area and then break above it. And then, like I said, in my opinion, I think 900 could very well come into play there. But those are certainly going to be the main technical levels to watch moving forward that, like I said, I think a lot of people will be watching. And, you know, self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. When enough people are watching the same exact things and wondering the same exact things, you know, there can be some very nice dynamic movements that happen with it. So keep an eye on those levels, and let's see how this one plays out on Wednesday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.